On Location is presented by Gun Automotive Group. Real, simple. Driving Alamo Heights Education.
Hello everyone, welcome to Season 3 of On Location. It feels like forever since we've been together for one of these episodes that highlights our talents of our students and our staff and showcases some of our facilities. I'm excited to once again be able to share some of the amazing stories in Alamo Heights ISD. I'm Dr. Bashara, your Superintendent of Schools, and for our first show of Season 3, we're coming to you from the new Culinary Arts classroom here at Alamo Heights High School. Our Culinary Arts program provides students training and support to prepare for careers in the food service, culinary arts, and hospitality industry. With over 100 students enrolled in the Intro to Culinary Arts, Culinary 1, and Advanced Culinary courses, instructor Emily Rangel has always got something cooking. Let's go meet Emily and her students. I'm so excited to be with you here, Emily, in this fabulous new space. I'd love for you to share with our community today just a little bit about the different courses and what you enjoy most in each one.
Yeah, sure. So when students sign up for our Intro to Culinary, they learn all the basics. So from bread to a breakfast cookery to fruits and vegetables. I mean, with fruits and vegetables, it's so fun because we get to have all these different fruits and vegetables out, and almost half of my students have no idea what some vegetables are and fruits. And we just sit around and try them and look and touch and feel and smell and taste. And so that's really, really fun. But you can't do all the crazy, cool culinary things without knowing the basics. Go over there with your bowl and just hit the flour with your Then you can sign up for Culinary 1, and you take all that knowledge from what they learn in Intro, and we take it a step further. We make our own recipes. We're using the sous vide machine. We're making steaks. We're making sauces for steaks. We're doing crepes, stuffed crepes. I mean, just the possibilities are endless in that one. And then you become an advanced chef, and that's more of like an independent study. You really get to dive into what you want to do, taking all the knowledge from the past 2 years and really just saying, hey, I really want to know how to cook and crack open a lobster. Wow. We'll go and buy a lobster and they can crack it open and try it.
You're making me hungry.
Yeah, I eat a lot in here.
I can imagine. This is Lydia and Benjamin, and both of them now are year 2 students in the Advanced Culinary Arts class. What are you most looking forward to this year?
I'm looking forward to making pasta, like using a pasta machine, getting to like whisk eggs and just flour, seeing what it's like, and actually doing it in person. And I just think it's going to be a real good experience for me.
Lydia, would you share a little bit with us about a special event that's going to be happening here at the high school?
So around Thanksgiving time, we're going to be hosting a lot of catering for the teachers' lunches, and like we get to cook a bunch of things for them. Like we may even cook like a whole Thanksgiving feast.
Wow, they're gonna love that. They're gonna love that. I love it. So proud of both of you, all of you, the way that you're using the space, the way that you built the program. Congratulations. Thanks to each of you for joining me. We look forward to sampling your culinary skills over the course of this year. Look forward to seeing all of you next time on Location.